All right, little update here. Finally got a table to work on because my Husky table is always taken up. This is where I'm at wiring the fans up. Pretty much done. Just need to get it in the car and find the pathway for the wires and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, and these are gonna go on once I route the wires. Alternator upgrade. If you're gonna do E-fans or any kind of have any kind of significant power draw on a Fox body setup, then you're gonna want to do at least the 130 amp alternator. I think this factory one is like 40, something ridiculously low. So this is a simple upgrade, pretty much bolt on. You have to do a little bit of wiring, but it's super easy. So yeah, I figured I'd do it while I have everything apart. Yeah, so I'll show you once it's sitting in the car. I just wanted to kind of give you a little quick update of where the progress is on the fans and stuff. So we're getting there. And we're back. So I got the alternator installed. Super simple. The power wire, the positive cable was way too long, so I had it all crunched back behind the battery because I didn't want to chop it up and re-crush a terminal on it. So I just have a lot of extra wire. I took like an hour and went ahead and taped and put convoluted tubing all over the wires that were exposed. So it's all merged into one across mostly. I'll try to put a before picture video if I can find it, but that was a rat's nest. That was pretty messy. So I organized all that, got all the wires away from the headers. So yeah, it doesn't look great, but it's way better than where it was for sure. Yep. So I'm just waiting on some parts to come in so I can finish the fans. Once those parts get in, I will continue on that. I'm actually replacing the fuse location that's in the cab. They have glass fuses because this is an old ass car. I'm replacing it with a painless performance or painless wiring bladed fuse block. So it should modernize it, make it a little more reliable, probably safer too. So I have to do that before I can finish the wiring for anything else. So that's what I'm waiting on. It should be here Wednesday, I believe. So once it comes in, I can, I'll have everything I need to pretty much wrap up all the electronics on this. And once I wrap up the electronics, I can fit up everything else and we'll be ready for the first fire. I already know it runs, but it'll be nice to have it in a condition where I can run it for more than 30 seconds with the cooling system hooked up, the alternator hooked up, all that good stuff. So, yep, quick video tonight. It is like 1:30 in the morning, so I'm gonna wrap it up. Just give you one last shot. All right, I'll see you in the next one.